Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will compare string manipulation in Python and C++. I will turn string in uppercase, lowercase and slice string both in Python and C++. I will first turn string in uppercase in Python. Here I have string variable text and now I need to assign variable text and I will use built-in function upper which will turn string in uppercase. And I will run this code now. As you can see, all letters are uppercase letters. Let's do same in C++. I also have same string variable, but there's no built-in function in C++ that will turn string in uppercase. So I need to write my own method for that. But before writing that method, it is useful to know decimal values of letters in ASCII table. And I will print some of them. I will first add new line. Then I will print decimal value of uppercase A. I will add space. Then I will print decimal value of uppercase Z. Then I will also add space and print decimal value of lowercase a and lowercase z. So it is lowercase a and lowercase z. New line. And I don't need those operators. This is output. 65 is uppercase A, 97 is lowercase a. And you can see the difference between them is 32. And also difference between uppercase z and lowercase z is 32. So to turn letter in lowercase, you need to subtract it by 32. Okay, let's write that method. So it has string data type. I will call it upper, just like in Python. It will take one string variable as input parameter. With for loop, I will go through each character in text variable. Length is text length. Then I will check if character is lowercase letter. So if text of I is greater or equal to 97 and text of I is less than or equal to 122. If it is, then I will extract that character in char variable temporary text of I. Then I will subtract temporary with 32 and I will assign text I with temporary. And at the end I will just return text. Return. Here I will assign text variable with upper text. And let's run this code. I will comment this and see does it work. It works. All letters are uppercase letters. Lower function is similar. So I will copy this, paste it here, change name to lower, and here instead of subtracting I will add 32 and I will check if text of I is greater or equal to 65, and here instead of 122 it is 97, and here I will use lower. And let's run this code. All letters are lowercase letters, so this method also works. In Python, you just need to use built-in lower function. And when I run this code, all letters are lowercase letters. And last string manipulation that I'm going to use in this video is string slicing. In Python, I just need to add square brackets, starting index, colon, and ending index. Starting index is included, ending index is not included. And I will run this code, and you can see sliced text. If ending index is greater than string length, I will get rest of string. So I got all rest of string variable. Now in C++ I will write method slice. So it is string data type, method name slice. I need string variable, text, starting index from, and ending index to. In this function, I will first declare string variable, new string, lowercase s. Then I will add for loop. I is equal to from, and length is equal to 2. And in variable new string, I will add text of I. And then at the end, I will return new string. New string. And I also need to check if text length is less than 2. In that case, 2 is equal to text length. And here I will, in main function, I will call slice function. I will pass text, starting index, and ending index. And then I will run this code. Slice string is same like in Python, so this function works. And let's also try with ending index which is bigger than text length, and run this code. I get rest of text, so this function again works. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.